As you may or may not be aware, Reference as a company are no longer in business. So if you are users of the Reference hot wax, we wanted to offer a good alternative, which is the Outback Organics White Peelable. The benefits of using the White Peelable are that it operates at a much lower melting point, making it a lot more comfortable for your clients, and if any overlays are required, then these are very comfortably placed. Also, it goes on a lot thinner. This is going to make sure that you use much less of your product, and the setting time is incredibly quick. As soon as your patch goes on, it will be ready immediately to come back off again. Join me as I demonstrate the differences with application and removal between the Reference hot wax and the Outback Organics White Peelable. So just demonstrating the application of the Reference hot wax, which traditional applications require you to go back and forth with your patch, making the application a little bit thicker and also making the setting time take a little bit longer. When applying the Outback Organics White Peelable, we go with the direction of hair, and the application is also much thinner, using a lot less product. The removal is immediate with your peelable wax. Okay. Now I can remove the Reference. So let me recap the benefits of the Outback Organics White Peelable. It operates at a much lower melting point, so the temperature is much more comfortable for your clients. It goes on a lot thinner, using less product, and the setting time is immediate. As soon as your patch goes on, it can be removed. If you want to find out any further information on any of our waxes, please go to our website.